Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to add loyalty card to Google Wallet in Moto G77. First of all, open wallet, click on add icon, click on loyalty card, select that you want to add. After selecting, scan barcode in the frame, then click on enter manually. Enter member ID, then click on add to wallet. After click on add to wallet, add loyalty card to Google Wallet from your phone. This is how you can add loyalty card to Google Wallet in Moto G77. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.